Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Wasim Khan, an instructor of Project Planning and Management course. Welcome back to the second part of this lecture. This lecture is about managing the project teams, and we will continue our lecture from this slide. Creating a high performance project team. Project managers play a key role in developing high performance project teams. They recruit members, conduct meetings, establish a team identity, create a common sense of purpose or a shared vision, manage a reward system that encourages the teamwork, orchestrate the decision making, resolve conflicts that emerge within the team, and rejuvenate the team when energy wanes. So, let's talk about building high performance project teams. And in that, the first thing we need to talk about is recruiting the project members. So there are two basic factors that affect the recruiting or recruitment of the project members. The first one is the importance of the project. And the second thing is the management structure that is usually used to complete that particular project. And but the question is how to recruit. So usually the project manager asks for the volunteers, and the answer of the question who to recruit is that a project team member should have some qualities like the problem solving ability or quality, the availability. He or she must be available within those particular times. He or she must have the technological skills and expertise as well. Okay, they should be credible. They should have the political connections. Okay, and they should have ambition. They should take initiatives, and they should have a positive energy so that they can invest their energy in performing that particular project. Okay, conducting project meetings. Conducting the project meetings, is extremely important for taking some decisions, the planning or tracking decisions, or managing change decisions, or the relationship decision, etc. So let's talk about each of these different points. We will start from establishing the ground rules. Uh, whether as part of an elaborate first meeting or during follow-up meetings, the project manager must quickly begin to establish operational ground rules for how the team will work together. These ground rules involve not only organizational and procedural issues, but also normative issues, so on how the team will interact with each other. Although specific procedures will vary across the organizations and projects, some of the major issues that need to be addressed include, the planning decisions. Planning decisions, in this we can actually mean that how will the project plan to be developed, what tools will be used to support the project, or will a specific project management software package be used? If so, which one? Who will enter the planning information? What are the specific roles and responsibilities of all the participants? Or who needs to be informed of decisions? Who will they be kept informed? So these are some of the planning decisions that usually are taken here. Tracking decisions mean that how will progress be assessed? At what level of detail will the project be tracked? How will team members get data from each other? How often will they get this data? Who will generate and distribute reports? Who needs to be kept informed about project progress, and how will they be informed? Okay, so these were some of the tracking decisions. These were some, of the questions we should and usually the project team members consider while taking the tracking decisions. The managing a change decision mean that how will changes be instituted, or how who will have change approval authority, how will plan changes be documented and evaluated. Okay, the relationship decisions, and that means that what department or organization will the team need to interact with during the project? What are the roles and responsibilities of each organization? How will all involved parties be kept informed of deliverables, scheduled dates, and expectations, etc.? Okay, so these were actually the project team, all about the project team meetings and the decisions that are usually need to be taken while in conducting these particular project meetings. um, let's talk about establishing team identity. uh, one of the challenges the project managers often face in building a team is the lack of full-time involvement of team members. Specialists work on different phases of the project and spend the majority of their time and energy elsewhere. They are often members of multiple teams, each competing for their time and allegiance. So um, project managers need to try to make the project team as tangible as possible to the participants by developing a unique team identity to which the participants can become emotionally attached. And for that, the team meetings, co-location of the team members, team names, and team rituals are common vehicles. So let's talk about each of them, like effective use of meetings. Periodic